Alright guys, welcome back. So today in this session we are going to learn rename activity. Okay, so here let's create a new project. I'll name it as project 11. Finish. Let it open. So it's loading. Okay, now just select a timer activity with the file rename file activity. So general activities, timer activity, and of timer activity goes to file rename file. So we have one file available over here in this folder. We have one file available, so I am just trying to rename this file. So I'll go into input and just configure this from file name, paste. Make sure to paste the address and make sure to paste in double quotes. So rename activity file name is file number 11.txt. Copy it and rename it to anything. Let's say modified file. Okay, save it, debug it, check for problems if there are any no problems. Okay, let's save this and debug this. Debug configurations, BW application, project 11, advanced debug engine port not specified. Okay, let me check what's wrong. Console. Okay, this is already running, so just stop the server. Okay, stop it. Okay, it is stopped. Now try again. Debug configuration, BW application, and debug. So started BW application and it is executed. Let's go back to our folder and check. Now the file name is changed to modified file. That's it. That's how it works. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys.